What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD. And we back at y'all with another video. This should be a really fun one for real. I'm just cutting up POV back road. Not even cutting up. I'm just driving around POV back road. You feel me? Just a norm. I'm back in town, so y'all know we getting back to the content real soon. Yeah, man, let's get a walk around at a G. I already know I got the Z1 long tube intakes and shit. More shit coming to the channel all summer 2024 long. And man, I'm on the top of a bridge with a mountain. And man, the little trees in the background. You feel me? That's how we coming. That's how we doing it and shit like that. Let me go ahead and wrap the car up for y'all a little bit. Get a few revs for y'all a little bit. Yes. And then we're gonna go to the front intakes. I can't leave the intakes mission. Let's see if I can mount this right here for y'all. Hey, y'all make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, hit that bell down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight to it before some hating ass Karen call the feds on me, you know what I mean? You know I ain't really doing nothing crazy. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, she look good as shit. Dummy, like, fuck. It's getting a little too dirty. I had it open for like about a month or so. So I can only imagine how dirty it'll get a few months in. Just go ahead, hot minute, get straight to it. Alright, so y'all, we got the sunroof open. We gonna see how much noise, how much wind noise it produces. Might close it, might not close it. Let's see if we can get a launch. Like I said, well, y'all seen my last video riding in the rain, and my tires was already bald, so they still bald, still haven't got new tires. That's why I'm trying to really like work them so I can, you feel me, really rip these bitches out and get to it. You feel me? Shit like that. Let me get out that. Jumpy. It's a little jumpy. Let me throw this seatbelt on too after this pull. She trying to hook y'all, but like I said, these tires really bald as shit. I'm gonna try to put this window up. Get these elbows loose. Throw on this seatbelt too. Safety first. Yes, sir. Bro. I keep, yo, I have a habit of putting down this window. I think this might be too much wind noise, so I'm gonna crack it just a little bit like this. Y'all see how it's cracked like this? I hope y'all can see I'm over here trying to put my head up and shit. There's a bike in the middle of the road. I can't even see over this hill. Tight as shit. Let's go to first gear. Slip a little bit too. noise. I hope y'all can still hear me and the car. I don't know if it's too much wind noise. A little back road fun for y'all. I ain't gonna lie. If the feds hop behind me on the back roads, oh yeah, I'm out of there. I'm out of there. As long as no type of wildlife hop out on me. Civic gotta move, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, he ready to get bullied out the way. Oh, these cars gotta move. I don't got time for these. I don't got time for this nonsense. I don't got time for this nonsense. He's lucky I can't see right there. What the fuck is you doing, Honda? Oh yeah, he tapping at me. Oh yeah, I'm on you, shorty. You gotta get out the way, shorty. You gotta get out that way, shorty. You gotta get out that way. I hope he going straight. I'm gonna bully his ass. Time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bully him. Shut the fuck up. That nigga trying to tell me slow down. Shut the fuck up, bitch ass nigga. I'm assuming trying to tell me slow down. Who the fuck is you, the police? Dumbass nigga. Oh yeah, Honda Civic try to get right with me. Okay, Civic. Brakes, bro. I gotta get new outer tire rods. They keep shaking every time I brake. Y'all probably see it. Oh yeah, we good. I'm ready to close this too. Open that, it's better. What is Buddy doing? Yeah, get the fuck out the way, shorty. Is that a red light? I don't even know where the hell I'm at, yeah. I'm just driving. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Probably left. I ain't gonna lie, he think he cool as shit on that little bicycle he on. He think he cool as shit. Yeah, I hope y'all can see him right here in this mirror. He on his phone and shit. His cool ass. He better not hit my shit. So he got the thumbs up and shit. I think my shit's smoking too. I see that motherfucker smoking. That's that hard driving. I don't even like doing this for y'all. I mean, I don't like doing this. I'm doing this for y'all. It's a real straight road, but I feel like bags on this road, I ain't gonna lie. This road a little too straight for fast not to be on this road, so I'm gonna chill out real quick. A little too open. And the AC down. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. For real, a little bit of smoke, but with that Honda Civic, he was low key moving that Civic. I'm not gonna lie, he was low key moving that Civic. I ain't know the road lines right here. What the fuck? Hey, you see? That's why I be recording this fucking Jeep, this orange Jeep, just on my ass for what? Trying to do this and shit to me. You know what? I'm ready to close my tag on him. What's wrong with that nigga? On my ass for what? Go beat the shit out you, shorty. Fuck is you doing? Now I'm ready to take off on him as soon as that shit get green. Shaky ass steering wheel. Well, I need y'all to share this to a friend so and get my outer tire rod fixed. Not even gonna lie. I think that's why I keep shaking like that. Oh. I hope that orange Jeep come back around. Yeah, there he go right there. Watch him, I'm ready to give him the super finger. Bitch ass nigga, yup. He fucking did that shit right back to me. Fuck you, stupid ass bitch. On some shit for what? That slow ass Jeep. That nigga bought a 2020 Jeep Wrangler for like 40, 50 bands, his dumb ass. Nigga retarded as shit. How that nigga? Uphill pull for y'all. I actually timing my RPMs extremely good. Right at that 7,500 mark. But really like 7,400, I shipped up and I'm there. That's why I got these paddles, man.
I ain't gonna lie, it was on my mind, but now she drunk, so I don't know.
She a freak, she a freak, she a super freak. One come, but this CCV. Damn, how the fuck that come over here? Nobody here messed up, y'all. Usually go ahead and cut that off. I copyright it. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend. Down below, comment what y'all want to see all 2024 summer, all summer. So comment what the hell y'all want to see, for real. But yeah, hope y'all like the video, for real. It's some cool shit. A little bit of road rage, a little bit of cutting up with a random Honda. You feel me? Shit. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.